Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Preeti Paldatta. Black chana masala with puri is one of the most popular food you can find in North India. Kala chana, which is also known as black chickpeas, has lots of health benefits. It is a great source of iron, maintains sugar level and keeps your heart healthy. Let's start. I have taken 250 gram black chickpeas. I have added 2 glasses of water and kept the kala chana for the overnight at least 8 to 9 hours. See friends, black chickpeas become softened and tender. We are going to add all the chickpeas into 3-liter pressure cooker. Now friends, I am going to add 2 glasses of water and 1 teaspoon salt. Cover the lid and pressure cook the kala chana for at least 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 whistles. See friends, our kala chana is completely cooked and become softened now. You can see that. Next step, we have to make the masala paste. For that I have taken 15 to 20 garlic cloves. I have put them into the grinder jar. Now I am going to add 2-inch ginger and 2 green chilies. Now we are going to add 15 to 20 black pepper, 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. See friends, after adding little bit of water, grind them well and see friends, our masala paste is ready. Similarly friends, I am going to add 2 medium size of tomato and going to grind them well and see our tomato paste is ready. Friends, tomato and masala paste are ready. So let's start. Friends, I am going to add 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil into a pan. After oil become hot, in a low flame, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it fry until become golden brown and then we will add 2 bay leaf and 1 dry red chili. Let them fry for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will add mace, which is also called Javitri in Hindi. It will make your chana masala curry more delicious. After 2 to 3 minutes, I am going to add chopped onion. I have taken 2 medium size onion. Saute the onions and stirring often until they become light golden. See friends, onions are become little transparent. At this stage, we will going to add our masala paste into it. Mix them well and cover the lid and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes under medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, friends, you can see that all become separate and masala is cooked well. At this stage, we will going to add our tomato paste. We are going to mix them well. And now we will going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. See friends, Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We will going to mix them well. Now friends, we are going to cover the lid and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes under medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see that all becomes separate and masala is completely cooked. You can see the texture of the masala paste. Now at this stage, we are going to add kala chana. We are also going to use the water of the boiled kala chana. At this stage, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt as per your taste and 2 green chilies to make it more spicy. And I am going to let it cook for another 5 minutes under medium flame. Meanwhile, let's do some preparation for puri. Friends, I took 2 large cups of wheat flour. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt into it. Mix them well and then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds. Now friends, I am going to add 5 to 6 teaspoons of cooking oil. We will mix them well. Meanwhile, after 5 minutes, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of meat masala into kala chana masala curry. And also I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. And at the end, friends, it is completely optional. I am going to add 1 packet of Maggi masala because I really like the flavor of the Maggi masala. And I am sure it will be going to enhance the taste of the masala curry. Now mix all of them well and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes under medium flame. Now friends, begin to mix to form a stiff dough. You can add little bit of water only as you need. And make a stiff and tight dough that is not crumbly or dry. After making a dough, I am going to keep it on rest for another 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can see that our kala chana masala curry is almost ready. Now we are going to garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. See friends. At this stage, you can switch off the flame and add all chopped coriander leaves into the curry. Friends, our kala chana masala curry is ready to serve. You can see that. It looks very delicious. Believe me, friends, if you try this recipe at home the way I did it, step by step, It will become really delicious and everyone will appreciate at home. Friends, I am going to serve chana masala curry with puri, but you can also have this recipe with boiled rice and roti. It is very healthy and everyone's favorite at home, and it is rich with lots of nutritions. Friends, if you are a curry lover, you will love this delicious deeply flavored dish that is healthier and makes for a great meal any time of the year. There are many more recipes that you can make with kala chana. I will surely get all the recipes for you one by one. Now friends, let's make a puri. Now I have taken small portion of the dough. I gently roll it and I make a ball. Using little bit of cooking oil, flatten the ball. Begin to roll the puri evenly from the center and do not roll them too thin or too thick. Now friends, gently slide the puri from the side to the preheated hot oil. Then quickly but gently keep pressing the puri down to the oil. See friends, puri puff completely. Next, flip the puri and let it fry until it becomes crisp and golden in color. Similarly, we are going to fry rest of them as well. Friends, make sure the oil is hot enough but not smoky hot. See friends, our chana masala curry is ready to serve. If you really like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching till end.